Hello, in front of me I've got BLACKVIEW Tab 13. In this video I'll show you how to find and manage display settings. At the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter display. Right here we've got all settings for our display. Let's start with the top of the list where we can change screen brightness level. We can enable dark mode, enhanced, moderated, or select gentle mode. Then we can enable night light and schedule it. Next we can change the font and the display size. Lock orientation, change automatic screen off between 15 seconds, 30 minutes or never. Adjust color, temperature and screen optimization. Set screensaver. Manage lock screen preferences like privacy on lock screen, skip lock screen, add text on lock screen, show device controls, and wake screen for notifications. Next, we can manage screen record, breathing light, enable reading mode, hide notifications icon from status bar, and display real-time network speed. And that's basically it for display settings. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.